This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a front and rear multi-link suspension, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, tinted glass, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Mercedes-Benz qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle. Napleton's Palm Beach Acura is located at 6870 Okeechobee Boulevard in West Palm Beach. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.